How can I solve my cue card? I even don't know how to make the bullet points. I can't speak for 2 minutes. I am exhausted. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to a new video of Cambridge Eyes. And these are the questions which come into the mind of most of the students related to the cue card when they are about to appear in IELTS speaking test. In this video, I am going to give you some tips that how you can create the cue card in 1 minute. Tip number 1. Read the cue card very carefully and get the keyword of the cue card. If you don't do this, it is possible that you may forget the topic of the cue card. Tip number 2. Decide the tense of the cue card. When you will read the statement of the cue card, you will find that there is a tense in that statement. That tense may be present, past or future. And keep in your mind that 99% cue cards are in past tense and 10% chances are that the cue card may be into the present or future tense. For example, if your cue card is describe an historical place you visited, so you have to use the past tense in this cue card because you have visited this historical place in the past. Tip number 3. Give a journal line to each and every cue card. For example, if your cue card is describe an historical place you visited, so you can start this cue card by a journal line and you can say, well, this is my favorite topic. As I am fond of visiting to different places, I love to visit to historical places. In this way, you can give a journal line to each and every cue card and you have to start your cue card by a journal line. Use the imaginary in your cue card. For instance, if your cue card is describe an historical place you visited, so you have to use the imaginary even though you have not visited to any specific historical place. Use the bullet points like why, where, how often, whom, what time, etc. These bullet points will help you a lot in solving the cue card in IELTS speaking test. Tip number 6. Use the connectors in your cue card. You can combine the sentences by using the connectors like but, moreover, firstly, secondly or thirdly. If you don't use the connectors in your cue card, you will feel that your whole cue card speech is in parts and you will not able to impress your examiner. So if you want to impress the examiner in IELTS speaking test, you have to use the connectors. Tip number 7. Give the examples in your cue card. In this way, you will be able to speak more than 2 minutes. And last but not the least, tip number 8. Always give a feel to your examiner that you are going to start or end your cue card. So if you want to get good band score in IELTS speaking test, your start and conclusion of cue card must be accurate. Now we are going to solve a cue card. And the cue card is, describe a present did you receive on your last birthday. So first of all, we have to make some bullet points to solve this cue card. Point 1, journal line. Point 2, name of the present or gift. Point 3, who did give me that present or gift. Point 4, why did I like that gift. Point 5, value of the gift or present. Point 6, conclusion. So keep in your mind these 6 points and I am going to speak for 2 minutes according to these bullet points. So let's start. This is my favorite topic. I am fond of taking gifts, and in fact, I also give gifts to my friends and family members. I can say giving and receiving gifts is our tradition. As our topic is describe a present did you receive on your last birthday, so I can say that I have got a lot of gifts on my last birthday, but the present which I liked much is the wristwatch, which was gifted by one of my uncles who is living in USA, but fortunately he was on a tour to Pakistan, and I also invited him on my birthday party. Firstly, I like that wristwatch because I am fond of watches and I have a wide range of collection of wristwatches at my home. So collecting the wristwatch is my hobby. Secondly, it was a very beautiful watch. The chain of it was gold plated and very shiny. The dial of it was very beautiful and the color of dial was black. So it was a good combination of golden and black colors. And thirdly, this watch made me punctual. I used to wear this watch on my wrist all the time. So this watch forced me to do all my jobs on the time. This watch was very expensive. I have once saw that watch in a shop and I wished to buy it, but I couldn't afford it. I can say that 2 years ago, at that time, its price was nearly 1,50,000 in Pakistani currency. Thanks to my uncle that he gifted me that watch as a gift on my birthday, and my dream came true that I got that watch. In the end, I must say that giving and taking gifts play a very important role in strengthening the relationships. Gifts are priceless because any gift has its own value. As far as wristwatches are concerned, these are very important to have for students. The students will become punctual and they will do all the things on time. And I must say that if anyone wants to give gift to someone, he must give a wristwatch. Well guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the notification of the upcoming videos.